Hey everybody, this is Eric for Little Whitehouse, and today I wanted to be thankful for uh, things that work out. I got some dead plants down here, and I don't know why they're dying on me. And then I have some good live plants, and I'll give you a view of the live ones a little bit later on. Um, Before I move on to another video, though, I'd really like to, acknowledge some of the comments that were made yesterday. Nona Grace said that we have to, promote, well, here, let me get it out because I don't want to mess it up. Nona Grace said, "Hello, Eric. I too am grateful for the freedom that we have. It is very true, or so very true. The right person needs to be voted in so that we can continue to be and have freedom." Thank you, Nona Grace. I just wanted to add that we have to use the tools that we have, which is voting in the right people. I heard somebody yesterday say, "Well, I'm not going to vote," and my family feels the same way. They're not going to vote because nothing's going to change if I don't vote or if I do. And that kind of mentality is wrong, because everybody has to use the tools that they have to promote the kind of freedom that they want. If I don't want to choose sides here, but what I'm trying to say is that if you believe in Democrat values, then you vote Democrat. If you believe in Republican values, you vote Republican. If you believe in some kind of independent values, vote independent. And if those values, are what brings you your freedom, then that's how you need to vote. Anyway, thank you, Nona Grace. Also, Hoople's cat said, "Freedom without responsibility causes someone else to pay for your freedom." And I couldn't agree more. We have a Bill of Rights, like I talked about yesterday, but without the self-control, in those, with those Bill of Rights, it's a little bit moot of a point. If you have freedom of speech and all you do is go around saying F you, F you, F you, then your responsibility to treating other people nicely and using your speech wisely, using your freedom of speech wisely, is, it's out the door. And if you have the right to bear arms, but all you ever do is go around, looting, shooting, destroying, and killing people, then everybody wants to take away your right to bear arms. Those rights have to be used to defend not only your freedom, but the freedom of those around you. And that's what the Bill of Rights was designed to do, was give the most amount of people the most freedom possible. And that's what the Bible is designed to do as well. It gives you two principles: love God with all your heart and love your fellow man as you love yourself. If you don't want somebody sleeping with your wife, don't go sleep with theirs. You know, it's simple as that. If you don't want somebody stealing from you, don't go steal their stuff. It's designed to give you the most amount of freedom that you know, that you can have as a human being. And, you know, you can take that with any principle or any of the 10 Commandments. You can look at it and say, yeah, would I want God to treat me this way, or would I want my fellow man to treat me this way? How do I want to treat my relationship with God? How do I want to treat my relationship with my fellow man? Anyway, so the bottom line is the more obedient you are to the principles and the responsibilities that come with those, you know, freedoms, then the more free that you actually are. So thank you, Hoople's Cat. Thank you, Nona Grace. You know, that's a thing that I needed to get off my chest a little bit more. And here's a picture of the things that are going well in the garden inside. I am loving how this Brussels sprouts is doing. It is doing very, very well. On the other hand, the tomato is not doing so well. It croaked on me. This is the second one that did so, and I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I tried to leave this one alone. Maybe I left it alone too much. These green onions are about ready to harvest, and so I'm going to do that shortly, probably after the weekend, and because we got a lot of places to go. And the third Brussels sprouts planted in dirt died. However, these are zinnias, and they are doing excellent. And this is calendula, and it's doing well too. So we got some good and some bad, and I don't know about ugly, but anyway, that's what we got down here in the grow room so far. We do have one more thing. It has not sprouted yet, but we are hoping to get watermelon. My wife has wanted to have watermelon for a while, and every year I go out and plant watermelon, these yellow watermelons, not necessarily this kind, but some kind of yellow watermelon, and it seems like each year something has happened to them. So we're hoping we can get a watermelon. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you if you have more comments, let me know in the comments section below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can receive all of our videos. And what else? Oh, yeah. Down below in the description box, there's a link for a free TubeBuddy tool. Anyway, go over there and check it out and download it for yourself. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless.